Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Inspired Pakistani. Today we are going to talk about the city of Lahore, located in the province of Punjab in Pakistan. Lahore is the second largest city in Pakistan and is known for its rich history, cultural diversity and vibrant city life. The city is home to many historical landmarks such as the Lahore Fort and the Shahi Mosque, which are both UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Lahore is also known for its food, with a wide variety of dishes available in the city's bustling bazaars and restaurants. Some of the city's famous dishes include biryani, kebabs and parathas. The city is home to thriving arts and culture scene, with many galleries, theatres and music venues to explore. Lahore is also the birthplace of Pakistan's film industry, and the city is home to many of country's top filmmakers and actors. Overall, Lahore is a vibrant and exciting city that has something for everyone, from its rich history and cultural attractions to its delicious food and lively art scene. There is always something new to discover in Lahore, so if you ever get the chance to visit Pakistan, be sure to add Lahore to your list of must-see destinations. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting content.